We've had this ML 350. It's been upgraded to a GLE though. It's now GLE 350 2016. Originally ML 350 2013. We've had it for some days now. It came in for hard starting issues and a severe misfire issue. You know, the car was really shaky, the engine compartment. The owner of the vehicle described it as the car is not working sexily, according to him. So he wanted us to restore it back to normal working condition. And that's what we spent time doing. We first of all carried out full diagnostics, and then we had to go through the camshafts. We had to also restore the thermostat to work as it should. Because when he was driving in here, we could hear the vehicle, you know, the fan of the vehicle at the highest speed, which is not supposed to, you know, this vehicle is not supposed to run that way. The thermostat had been disconnected because it failed. So what did we do? We got a new thermostat, reinstalled in the vehicle, and got it to run as it should. So now we've solved the misfiring issue, the hard start issue, and now as he drives out, he's going to notice how quiet the vehicle is. Under the engine compartment, it has the 276 engine, which is really powerful, but requires good maintenance. So what happened in this case, the engine had, you know, completely knocked out, and they had tried to restore things by doing some work on the engine, but obviously the work wasn't done properly, and that's, you know, the origin of all the issues he's been having. So we've been able to restore things by working on it, and the car works now as it should.
So the work was in progress here. Of course, we had to drop the engine to really work on it, correct all the issues it had. So we dropped the engine and proceeded to work. It also helped us know how poorly maintained this vehicle has been. You can see how degraded the engine oil is if you look closely. The car wasn't properly maintained at all. Here we had coupled things back. The engine was running as it should, and the car was prepared essentially for delivery. Good looking car, but it wasn't properly maintained. These are some of the things we do at Mastermind Automobile Solutions. We get your car running as it should.